Hi, welcome to Using Inventor for Revit Families Explained from our In Under 3 Minutes video series. Inventor is a computer-aided design application used for 3D mechanical design, simulation, visualization and documentation developed by Autodesk that is used extensively in the manufacturing industry. Users can design assemblies containing sub-assemblies and components using real materials, weights, strengths, etc. In this example, we have a shelving unit designed right down to the individual nuts and bolts. It has over 80 individual components. To take this assembly into Revit, we go through a few steps inside Inventor to start with. One choice we have is to shrink wrap the assembly. This will turn it into one object that will become one family inside Revit. There are a few steps involved to get this shrink-wrapped Inventor assembly into Revit, and they involve making it into BIM content, authoring the building components, exporting the building components, and finally finishing the BIM content. Once completed, the new family can be opened in Revit and any necessary manipulation and editing completed before being used. The new family can then be used inside Revit as required. It should be noted that using these detailed Inventor assemblies as families inside Revit can satisfy the BIM levels of development for LOD 400 and LOD 500. So, in closing, if you want more information on how to use Inventor for this type of work, do not hesitate to contact Interscale at any time. Until next time, thank you.